Hi guys, welcome back to another video on YouTube. So today's topic is, as everybody is currently discussing, is that currently as Windows 10 has become outdated and Windows 11 has become the new version, I mean the current latest version. So as not everyone can update to Windows 11, and I do prefer Windows 10 itself, as still it's one of the best version after Windows 7, and Windows 11 still has bugs and even optimization faults which are still not fixed yet. And as of now, you might have heard the news that YouTube has been taking down all the videos related about changing to LTSC, and it's just being banned by the AI system as it's being flagged as malicious activity. And there are big accounts and big channels which have been taken down under that content guidelines issue. So today I'm gonna risk my own channel, as this is something not as a malicious activity, something that more like it's an educational purposes, as it's for to know by the consumer itself. So for my system, I also prefer to run Windows 10, as Windows 11 I did try Windows 11 out, and it was like using most of the system resources, like even in that idle. You might have also seen it. So after all those, and I also don't like updating my system very often, as it just comes in middle of something when you're doing or something. So currently, as of now, my system is in Windows 10 version 1903, as you can see. And as so many people who doesn't know how to stop the update of Windows 10, and a clear-cut way, which is one method that was even referred in the Microsoft's official forms, as someone named him has asked in the form, like how to disable feature updates on Windows 10, like 2 years back, 2 3 years back, and it was replied by another guy to run these registry edit commands into the command as administrator. So what happens here is that these three policies, where in the first one that sets the target release version to 1, second one target release info, which sets the version, like locking the version which you are gonna type over here. If you put the current one, it will lock to the current one. If you put it to the next version, it will be locked to the next version. Or if you put an invalid version over there, it will lock the current version until if that invalid version ever comes valid. And the last one is the product version, where it just keeps which product, like if it's 10 11, which version of that product you have. So currently I'm running a Windows 10 1903 build. So over here, when you do this command in command line, like you have to go over here and type command, take command prompt admin, this will come up. You have to type all this three commands and enter. I had done this like years ago, and that's why my build is still at 1903, because I still recommend keeping Windows 10. If you have a build 1809, 1903, 1909, these are the best regarded version. Trust me, literally I have done it. So I have tried all three versions, and I do like all these three versions. I hope till 21H2 and 22H2 also is barely fine of Windows 10. Not sure about 20 other versions after 22H2, 21H2. And the thing is, if you want to see what really happens in the registry, is that these three keys will get added. Like these two are registries and this one is a dword key. So if you are gonna ask what difference, like what to do differently for Windows 11, for Windows 11 users, I also have tested it till the version of 22H2 of Windows 11, that you can do the same thing, but instead of specifying at the end over here, change this to the version number of the Windows 11 which you can type that out by coming over here and typing it in Winva and checking which version you have, like what I have done over here. And you have to specify Windows 11 over here. So when it comes in the registry, it will come Windows 11 being set like as its value, and you can put the 22 or 21 HD, which version you have of Windows 11, and target release version you have to put one, and it will work till 22 HD. And I have tested in another laptop, so you guys can also test it out for yourself, and it does work. And this method does only disable the feature updates, and every other update still comes, your drivers, your sound, your graphics, like every other driver update still works. Just the feature updates, guess, like it's not disabled, it's like paused. And I have tested this version till Windows 10 22H2. It works till that. After that I haven't tested, so I can guarantee you till that point. So this video is all about how to stop feature updates, or aka to stop updates in Windows 10 or 11, keeping the current main version as is without going to the next version. For example, from 10 to 11, not keeping the 10 version which you have itself without going to the next variation of 10 itself, same as in 11 also. So this will be a useful video for everyone, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys have got an idea, and I hope my video also doesn't get taken down. Hope you share, like, and subscribe video. Do save this if you want to do it in future, and I hope that this video doesn't get taken down. And by the way, for those who want to get the 3 registry command lines, I will link them down in my description. If for them, you can take it from there also. Thank you for watching.